Hello everyone, welcome to McDraft and Strength. Today's session is on Hyperbola by Directrix Focus Method. In my previous video, which is on Parabola by Directrix Focus Method, I explained the basic terminology of conic section, including eccentricity. So if you watch that, you will understand what a hyperbola is and what eccentricity means. So be sure to check it out if you haven't already. So I will explain here eccentricity in short, so it's easier to understand. So let's start our actual topic. So the question may ask in exam to draw the hyperbola by Directrix Focus Method. Here the distance of focus from Directrix is given, that is 45 mm. So this is a straight line Directrix and this is axis, and on axis the focus is given at 45 mm. So the focus at 45 mm. Then next is what? The eccentricity ratio is given 5/4. So what is the formula of eccentricity? We have to find out the distance from vertex to focus and vertex to Directrix from that eccentricity ratio. So the eccentricity means what? Ratio of vertex to focus divided by vertex to Directrix. So that ratio is given, it is 5/4. Okay, so how we get the total of these two is 45. So for this I multiply both, it's a numerator and denominator, by 5. So 5 into 5 divided by 4 into 5. So it's 25 divided by 20. So the sum of these two is 45. So we get a distance that is 25, it is vertex to focus, and 20, it is vertex to Directrix. So let's start our actual construction. Draw one straight line as a Directrix capital D. Take a point C on it and draw a axis perpendicular to Directrix, that is D, and mark a point, that is F. Mark focus on it at 45 mm from Directrix. And as I just explained, the distance from Directrix to vertex is 20 mm. So mark V at 20 mm and draw one straight line in upward direction. And as a scale of ratio 1, VF is equal to VA. So mark point A at 25 mm and draw line passing through CA. Then divide VF into 5 parts roughly, named that part as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from points draw vertical line which intersects CA line and mark that point as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Then take a distance from 1 to 1 dash, place metal point on F and mark on both sides of the axis, and repeat the same procedure for remaining points. So the next step is join all the points with the help of French curve and complete the hyperbola. So this is all about hyperbola by Directrix Focus Method. Hope you like the session. Thank you.